Hi folks, it's Bry. I'm home in England, resting and recuperating for a while, although really doing a lot of stuff, I guess, but trying to readjust and heal. First public appearance will be the 22nd of this month at 7 p.m. at the National Portrait Gallery, where I'll be joining my colleague Denis Pellerin, and we will be presenting for the first time ever what you might call giants of portraiture in the stereoscope. Might sound obscure, but these, you will see, are the most amazingly beautiful portraits of people at the very birth of photography and stereoscopy. So we'll be projecting on the screen in 3D, and we will be supplying the spectacle so that you will see everything in glorious stereoscopic fabulousness, and I hope to see you there. God bless.